found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think
Get down there. I'm going to give a share of water boat from. Let me chicken them come out. Oh my god, the chicken is coming out. Run in! Run in! Mommy, I'm afraid of them. Mommy, come to the chicken then. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So today I'm on my boyfriend's farm. I always tell him a real farmer, photosynthesis, everything. I'm gonna show you some of his pineapples. So he has a lot of pineapple, orange trees. I'll go close up to the orange tree. The orange and big orange trees, banana tree, coconut tree. Not just the chicken them. And be things so I'm gonna show you the pineapples and the what do you mean? The orange. I'm just showing you avocado. Pineapples. Pineapple for the I don't know where to walk. Pineapples. Banana. So my boyfriend grows a lot of plantains. Me I tell you say, boy planting them sweet. I say, Romeo, where do you planting them? You do something to your root? You do something to my root. Planting them nice. Now I'll show you orange tree them. Frig. Oh Jesus. Romeo say pineapple sitting them juke hot. Juke hot your fart. I have to look where I'm going because the pineapple things. Then juke hot. Try showing us some orange. Then bigger fart. I got to Melica Allen farmer man. Guys, these oranges are so huge. They are so huge. The farm actually. What that tangerine? Ugly what? Ugly orange. So no orange is a. Okay. Tangerine. Tangerine. Okay, instead of me your name ugly and orange. Boy, come like I forgot beard in a bush. Oh God, ants. So we are going to go to pig pen now. But pass on orange tree. Instead of me your name ugly and not orange. So I'll pass on orange tree. Because I say, oh, them are orange. Yeah. So big. Pineapple them will leap. My boyfriend do a lot of pineapple. I always carry pineapple for me. And plantain. I love those. Me never actually see how a pineapple grow up on the top, you know. I first me see it. Sure it's not orange, but they're little. Oh shit. These things, they juke so hot. How do I get out? I lie. Okay. So guys, the pineapple something them. Pineapple thing them juke me. He says it's gonna itch me after. Should I have a shower in the bushes? Not no rag. Just have to wash off. Romeo. I forgot beard and done. We're gonna look on the pigs now. So as I was saying, the orange farmer, so he go way back. I can't video everything, just a video front part. Yeah, so you can see that. And then we're gonna look on the pig them. Pretty. And then ready to go. Same as the two more breadfruit show now. Breadfruit, my name, banana. The peppers are so huge. Romeo, I'm not telling a lie, tree them full of peppers, it's true. Scotch bonnet pepper, a lot of those. Pepper. So he grows a lot of pepper too. So we're gonna walk through the bush to go to the pig pen. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you some of the pepper tree. They're so tall. These are all pepper trees. So big. Not too sure if we walk. Guys, I'm not even sure where to go. Come I never walk through bush go down a pig pen yet. Wait, I know you hear something to go. You tell me if I go on, you we can't catch me bee. Where me fi go? Over the corner? Catch a breadfruit, the banana. About how much we can get for this banana, you know? 1,200? Alright. Pepper tree them biggie. You get the sample, see lady?
Here.
I'll show you one sample.
This sample. Oh, the lady, I'm not going to say.
Mm-hmm.
You know about that sell sheet. You don't have to make person.
These are pepper trees. They are so tall. Tall, man, Romeo. Hold my hand. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Lead me, baby. Lead me. Lead me. Lead me. That's how I tell you to hold my hand from. Crocs got good grip still. Oh gosh. Come out of one part. I can't see pig pen from here still, so me find a way. The terrain. Bush life. Guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And subscribe. Oh, they're so frightened. Pig life. Oink, 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 oink. Go wash it. Come on. So guys, actually at the pig pen. Good nigga, man. Oh, my type. Anyways, guys, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and turn on the post notification bell. Before I show a pen them which require my hands, so I'm gonna go free. Cause the pig them love water, and when they wet them up and stuff like that, so that we're gonna know. On your mouth. A pig I try to take water in their mouth. Ain't big in a Romeo.